At the beginning of our project, our client, Cranes Consulting Engineers, needed a redesigned website because their existing site lacked organization, visual consistency, and a professional appearance, and it did not effectively showcase their work or build trust with potential clients. Based on our initial proposal, our contract was to improve the website structure, navigation, and visual hierarchy while maintaining the client's content and branding. Specifically, we committed to creating a more user-friendly and professional website that would improve usability, highlight real project work, and make it easier for users to find information and contact the company. We also planned a structured approach using phases such as planning, analysis, design, development, and testing to ensure we stayed aligned with our goals. But throughout the project, we stayed true to this contract by following those exact phases. We began with requirements, confirmation, user and business analysts, and a full evaluation of the current website to identify usability issues and gaps. We then moved into design and development, where we improved the layout, updated branding elements like colors and fonts, and reorganized content to create a clearer and more intuitive user experience. To ensure we stayed on track, we used a Gantt chart and a weekly progress reports to monitor milestones, assign responsibilities, and complete each phase so we're on track for the schedule. At the end of the project, we successfully delivered and redesigned the website that meets all of our original objectives. The final product provides improved navigation, a more professional design, and a better overall user experience. We also implemented key features such as a structured project portfolio, mobile responsive design, and an easy-to-use contact form, all of which our final product clearly reflects our original proposal. We stayed within scope, followed our planned process, and delivered a solution that aligns with both user needs and the client's business goals, demonstrating that we successfully fulfilled our initial contract from start to finish. Thank you.
We identified four main action items that he wanted us to focus on for the website redesign project. The first was to completely redesign the entire website to create a more modern and professional online presence that better reflected the identity of Kareem's Consultant Engineers, which, as you can see right here, we completely redesigned the website. The second action item was improving the site structure and navigation. The client wanted visitors to be able to easily find information about services and past projects and contact details without confusion or extra steps. And as you can see right here, and I also highlighted it right here, you see that we added a navigation bar to every single page. The third priority was ensuring full mobile responsiveness and performance optimization. This meant making sure that the site loaded quickly, functions fully on all devices, and provides a consistent experience whether someone is viewing on their phone, their laptop, their tablet, or desktop, etc. And finally, the client wanted to have easy access to update and manage the website in the future. This included setting up the platform in a way that allows him to make any edits, publish updates, and maintain the site without needing any technical assistance. By creating the website on Wix, we were able to allow the client to really optimize his usage of the site and also always make edits to the sites. These actions, uh, these actions guided our work and shaped our final website delivery.
So during our usability testing, we noticed a few key issues. First, users had trouble navigating the site, especially finding services and past projects, which told us the structure wasn't very intuitive. We also saw that the homepage didn't clearly guide users on what to do next, and some sections were too text-heavy, making them harder to read. There were also some inconsistencies in layout across pages, along with a few mobile responsiveness issues. Based on that feedback, We made several improvements. We simplified the navigation, added clear call to action buttons, reduced unnecessary text, and made the layout more consistent. We also optimized the site for mobile to improve the overall user experience.
Hi everyone, today I'll be demonstrating our website for the Cairns Consultant Engineers. Starting on the home page, visitors are welcomed with a strong hero section that immediately communicates the company's purpose, providing structural engineering services for residential and commercial projects. The homepage also includes a clear call to action button that encourages users to request a consultation. Using the navigation menu, users can easily move between main sections of the website, including Home, About Us, Services, Projects, Contact, and Book Online. The About Us page introduces the company's leadership and team members, providing background in their expertise, experience, qualifications. This helps establish credibility and trust with potential clients. The services page outlines the company's engineering specialties, including structural design for residential homes, ADUs, commercial buildings, and multifamily developments. The projects page showcases featured work and highlights completed engineering projects to demonstrate real-world experience and capabilities. The Contact and Book Online page make it easy for clients to inquire, submit project details, and schedule a consultation directly with the website. Overall, the website was designed to be professional, user-friendly, and informative while helping potential clients quickly understand Cairns Consulting Engineers' expertise and easily connect with the business. Thank you.
I'll be talking about the transition plan. Our transition plan is focused on making things as simple as possible for the client to take over. We start by doing a smooth handoff from our team to theirs, so they understand what's going on and don't feel lost. Before giving it to them, we make sure everything is fully tested and working correctly. This helps avoid problems later on and makes the system more reliable right from the start. Since we didn't do any training sessions, we made sure to provide a clear and simple written instruction instead. This way, the client can have a follow step-by-step direction and go back anytime if they forget something. We also included all the important information that they need to know. This includes what the system does, how to use the system, and how to fix small problems if something goes wrong. We also showed them where they could find help, like contact support and documents. In addition, we make sure everything is organized and clear, so it's easy for them to find what they need without wasting time or getting confused. This helped them work, this helped them work more efficiently right away. After the handoff, we're still available to support them if they have any questions or run into any issues. This helps make the transition smoother and less stressful for the client. We also try to make the process as flexible as possible, so the client can just adjust and learn at their own pace instead of feeling rushed. Overall, our goal is to make sure the client feels comfortable and confident using the system on their own without needing consistent help.
I'm Mikhail, and my role for this project was quality assurance, and today I'll be going over the lessons learned. Early scope and requirement alignment kept the project focused and prevented confusion later. Design and contact work must stay closely coordinated to avoid delays and rework. Client-dependent materials such as photos and descriptions can slow progress, so proactive follow-ups are essential. Visual consistency matters, and early checks for fonts and image quality prevent an unprofessional appearance of the website. And finally, clear communication with the client is necessary to control scope changes and keep the timeline stable.